Hello guys, it's me here, and I'm here playing Bunny Town. So I've played this game before, but the people have that not played this. They really do want to play this. You guys can play it if you guys want. I'm gonna show you some tips how to play it. First is with the bunching. I'm only in second grade, so I can't really read that good. Yeah. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. Ooh, move, man. I don't know how to get this back. Hopefully, don't touch me much. Oh yeah. I got him. So what you would actually go to the bunny king, talk to him. Apparently there's about 9 tasks. So yeah. If you hear background if you hear noises in the background, just don't mind it, please. It's my annoying brothers. They're annoying. You guys, if you're listening, please like and subscribe, or you don't, or I get silly videos anyway. Help me, my house is so small, blah 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 blah. Basically, I already know what to do. But the people that don't really know what to do, I'm gonna help you. Let me go. So you go do a little parkour. Click on that. You didn't have to find a way to get down, or I don't take full damage. Which way I'm gonna see that. I played this game too many times, and the game always scares me with the kills. King guys, if you didn't say that. A little talking. Oh, chatterbox. Chatter. Yeah, this is probably the first time you guys heard my voice, so. Yeah. But yeah, we're doing this stuff. Oh, wait, did we already? Yeah. I think we did, okay. Also, I really lose my memory. Also, I barely know how to count anymore. Because it says you do 10th and 2nd grade. Watch out for that. Bam! Bam, boom. Here's your big carrot nest. Also, I'm going to teach you how to get 2 endings. So the first ending is going to be called Save the Town or something like that. Basically. If you play this game, you know what to do, or looking for the other ending. I like paper maze though. Hello. Did you just come up again? That's the first time I'm going to play. Which one should I do? No, let's do him and then we'll do the sick bunny. The one that says his house is sick. How does your house turn sick? Oh, hello. Are you here to help me? Blah, blah, blah. Please help me. Help me. Blah, blah, blah. I'm just helping people. Apparently you're supposed to put up posters. Bam, 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 boom. I don't know how to do it yet. I need to do that. Please don't go. The posters now see our creepy customer. That just scared me for some reason. I played this game. How am I getting scared now? I'm embarrassed. Let me go, lady, let me go. Some of the parts are gonna get scary, so like, let's look at the scary part. That's where I'm gonna know what I'm about to do for you guys. You guys already know what to do. And you guys are gonna complete like the whole game and then you have to do. You can watch this video, watch something else. This probably is not gonna be fun anyway. But yeah. Start sleep if you walk over it. I'll stand by for a couple seconds. Something will pop up. See? Ooh, hi. I should have like totally I lost my toy. Parents in the field earlier today, and I dropped it. Could you please? Can you please? Something before something. Oh, I barely have no YouTube. What's the blocks are like for another ending? I don't know what ending though. Like, into the air. Wait, did I tell him to do him and not the new one? That's my brother, by the way. Please ignore him. I will do a little bit of editing in the video. Just so that you guys know what I like doing and stuff. This video is probably already boring. Also with the backgrounds and the voices. Probably really boring. I see you have one window. Would you like to buy carrot cake? Yes, listen, here's your cake. Enjoy. Poison? You have a poison in the house? Here you go. Cash for this. This is Baka. Yeah, that just pops out. Things. But this come here, please. I'm not gonna jump scare. Yeah, there's a jump scare. Maybe it might be the day. I know, I'm trying to show the viewers in video. Hey. You going my way? I don't know. Talking your daughter on my video. My video, guys. I'm gonna be back. I'm a scared cat. I told you guys. I told you. Straight up told you. Wait, did you get past the jump scare part? I'm not gonna jump scare today, punk. Whoa! I'm just gonna start this out of the video. Probably. Can you please do this? You're almost there. This is gonna be the first time name I've been there for a cent, so I think I could really do the other one and stuff. I'm probably gonna edit some of this out. I don't know if I can. Yeah, I'm not very good editor out or anything. Back to the king, blah blah blah, everything. Don't be leaving. You don't be leaving, blah blah blah. We know you know. Down. I don't want to get copyrighted. Oh wow. Oh wow. I'm just gonna look at the characters and stuff. Yeah, this is good. How to get to the town ending is basically like you just do nothing. You just panic attack. You just start a panic attack. Know what to do situation. So like you oh my god, my battery. So like you just start doing this blah blah. Oh my god. We will oh wow. You didn't make it up the wrong ladder. Cool. And apparently you died. Sam, no! Okay, wait. So you're not ripping that. Then it shows you being cut up, and that's how you get that badge. Apparently I'll be doing part 2. Bye guys. I know how to do that in because the thing didn't really work out so good. Was it recording? Even I don't know. I don't know if it was. Oh, it was recording. Okay, bye guys.